Hello all! In this video, we're going to show you how to configure number masking in Togile CRM. To manage number privacy settings, go to Configuration, then click on Number Masking. Click the pencil icon next to the entity you want to enable masking for. Choose the role for which number masking should apply using the drop-down menu. Select a role. Once done, click on Save. Following that, click on Leads and select a role. You can choose as many roles for which number masking should apply. Once selected, click on Save. You'll see a confirmation that the data has been saved. To mask the first 5 digits of phone numbers, check the box on the right. The masked preference will be updated instantly. Then click on Leads to see the numbers with masked first 5 digits. To mask the last 5 digits instead, uncheck the checkbox. Return to Leads to confirm the last 5 digits are now masked. His way, you can manage number visibility securely based on entity and user roles. And that's it. Number masking, configured in just a few clicks. No more sharing personal numbers, no more privacy risks. Thanks for watching.